What up, y'all? One of the most important parts of this entire thing is diet. So, gonna show you guys a little bit about what I'm eating right now during the 75 hard thing so that we can make this thing happen together, okay? So, check this out. Just now leaving HEB, wanted to quickly just do the rest of this. I thought I was gonna film more, but obviously, man, this challenge, I'm like really focused, so I wanna make sure that I'm counting everything that I'm doing. So guys, I feel like the main reason why a lot of people fail in business and even in fitness, main reason why is because they don't understand how to track things, right? You can't lose weight, guys, if you don't know what your body does. You can't scale your business if you don't know what your business does. You see what I'm saying? And so, like, I truly believe that the main reason why I've been able to drop 40 pounds, legit, guys, like I'm 40 pounds. It's probably the thinnest, I'm 40 pounds lighter. It's probably the thinnest I've been since I was, 23 years old. It's hilarious, right? I stepped on the scale this morning and I'm officially 269 after being stuck in the 270s for like a little over a month and a half. But I was at 310 pounds when I first started this thing. And it's not, this is un-75 hard related. I just started taking on 75 hard 16 days ago. Well, today is going to be day 17. But one of the things that you got to make sure that you commit to, guys, is tracking the shit that you're doing in your business. You know, if you want amazing results, you want to lose 40 pounds, then the first thing that you got to start doing is you got to start wondering, like, what am I eating? What does my body do with that food, you know? So what I did, guys, I went to a GNC just to give y'all some updates on this. And I did one of those full body tests where I was able to get the full scope of work that my body is doing right now. So currently, guys, my metabolism on a daily basis, if I sat here and I did nothing, burns 2,375 calories a day. So any exercise that I do that burns calories in between that only adds on to the giant monster of metabolism that I have going for me right now. So what I try to do in my diet plan is I just lean myself out. So I'm doing 230 grams of protein every single day. I'm trying to do up to 75% of my weight in protein, in grams of protein. So currently I weigh I'm just gonna say 269, 270, whatever, right? So then I have to eat 70% of that in protein in order to build muscle. And what I'm trying to do is not just to build muscle, it's to get my body into a constant state of healing. That way I can consistently put pressure on my body so that I can continuously build the muscle mass that I'm trying to accumulate. You know, on a good month, if you do this right, you will lose 1 pound every single week. So that's about 5 pounds a month. And you will gain 1 pound of muscle every single month. And I'm a 30-year-old man, you know, so right now, guys, I try to stay at that calorie intake right to the T, right? So that way I know that I'm losing weight constantly. Now the second thing that I'm doing is I'm also making sure that I'm not staying over a certain amount of carbs. So I fluctuate. I'm doing this thing. It's pretty cool. I forgot the exact name of it, but you guys can take a look at it if y'all want to know a little bit more about it. But I am literally doing days where I'm doing 0 carbs and then some days where I'm doing heavy carbs. But I never go above 150 to 250 grams of carbs, even on the heavy carb days. This keeps my body tricking itself into burning more fat and trying to pull energy from different sources to transfer it into the rest of my body so that I know I can keep it going. I can keep the metabolism strong, can keep burning fat. So, I mean, I've literally done the research on this stuff, guys. So I'm not a personal trainer. I'm just telling you guys right now, all I bought today was chicken, steak, turkey, cheese, and vegetables. And that's pretty much all I'm eating. I'm doing oats and whatnot and protein shakes, etc. And a little bit of creatine to help with the muscle gain. But like legitimately everything else that I'm doing is fully natural all the way down to the T. So the reason why I'm able to get so much results is because I'm counting the things that I'm doing. So if you want that same level of success in your business, you have to start understanding exactly what your business is doing, what it takes in, how many calls it takes to get a lead, how many, leads do you have to get to convert it to a contract, how many contracts close out of every single contracts that you get. You see what I'm saying? I hope all of them. You definitely want to close all of them, but for us, we close about 4 out of 5 every contracts that we get. We close 4 out of 5 contracts that we get on a month-to-month basis. So I just wanted to do this video for you guys just to show y'all what I'm eating. 75 hard's a bitch, but it's starting to get easy, thank God. It's just prioritizing your time and making sure that you're making a commitment to what it is that you said that you were going to do at the beginning. Today is day 17. I'll see you guys on the next day.